Hey, what's going on? Welcome into For the Low. My name is Spencer, and today I've got this Philips DVD VCR combo. The model number is DVP3345VB. Alright, so to start off, you've got your composite audio video input for recording onto VHS. And then you've got an audio video output for standard VHS and DVD playback. And then you've got component output, which is just for DVD, as well as S-video and these audio outputs. And then you've got coaxial digital audio output if you want to connect to a sound system. And then to start, you just plug in your power cable and your video. When connecting the video cable, just match up the colors and connect it to the outputs, not the inputs. And then once you've got that all set up, you can power it on and you should get playback just fine as long as your TV is on the correct input. Then you can insert a VHS. Playback will begin automatically. And with the remote, you've got an open close button so you can eject the DVD and VCR. You've got your DVD VCR functions you can switch. You got your display button so you can turn on and off the display. And then you've got your setup button if you need to change any of the settings or set a recording. And then you've got your stop button. If you push that and rewind, it'll do a super fast rewind as opposed to a regular fast rewind if you're in play mode and you rewind it. And then we can insert a DVD. And then DVD playback will begin. You just have to set it to the DVD input. But that's pretty much it. It'll play back your DVDs and your VHS tapes all with one device. If you want to purchase one, check out our online store or give us a call.